introduce us from Group 1. So we want to present a hortatory exposition. Before that, let us get to know the presenters who will present this material. There are Julianesha, Nazula Tifa, Atika Salihah, Nurul Fauzia, Hikmah, Makfira Masbar, Dewa Ramadan, and Akil Munif. So guys, how are you today? I hope you guys in a good condition. Well friends, saat membuat tugas clipping bersama teman-teman kelompoknya, Naswa menemukan sebuah artikel yang menjelaskan pentingnya berolahraga. Ada beberapa alasan mengapa olahraga itu penting dilakukan. Di antaranya yaitu olahraga dipercaya dapat menurunkan tingkat stres, memperbaiki pola tidur, serta mengurangi risiko penyakit jantung, diabetes, dan beberapa jenis kanker. Naswa pun mengajak teman-temannya untuk berolahraga bersama, karena terpengaruh dengan artikel yang dia baca. So friends, you know jenis teks yang Naswa baca tadi adalah jenis teks hortatory.
First is, what is definition of hortatory exposition? A hortatory exposition is a type of spoken or written text that is intended to explain the listeners or readers that something should or should not happen or be done.
Next is, there are three structures of hortatory exposition text. First is thesis. Thesis contains the author's opinion and is the topic of writing. Second is arguments. Arguments in the form of reasons from the author. Each argument must be explained with the supporting idea. And the last is recommendation. Recommendation from the author or suggestion given for the discussion that has been written.
Social function. Social function of hortatory exposition text is to persuade the readers or listener that something should or should not be the case.
Next is language feature. There are 5 language features in hortatory exposition text, namely tenses, modal verbs, connectives, action verbs, and abstract noun.
Hortatory exposition text uses simple present tense. What is present tense? Simple present tense is a form of tense that is used to express events that occur regularly, routinely, or usually carried out in the present. For example, I like spicy food. Artinya, saya suka makanan pedas. I go to school by bus. Saya pergi ke sekolah naik bus. I played football last week. Saya bermain bola minggu lalu.
Next is modal verbs. What is modal verbs?
Modal verb are auxiliaries. A modal is a type of auxiliaries or helping verb that is used to express ability, possibility, permission, or obligation. Example is can are called or be able to, may or might, must or have to, shall or shall, and will or will.
Next there is connective. Connective, which is an expression that relates an event to a point or an interview in time. Connectives like are first, second, there, moreover, and furthermore.
And the next is action verbs. What is action verbs?
Action verb. An action verb expresses something that a person, animal, or object can do. Example: watch, talk, exploit, reach.
Abstract noun. An abstract noun is a word which names something that it cannot see, hear, smell, or taste. This noun is intangible. Example: faith, parenthood, belief, success, courage, pleasure.
And the next is
The difference between analytical and hortatory exposition text. Analytical exposition text is explained as a text argument that is not accompanied by suggestion and only includes opinions and arguments. Meanwhile, hortatory exposition text is text that is accompanied by suggestion. These two types of exposition text are usually easy to find in the form of essays or letters to editors in newspapers.
Next is an example of hortatory exposition text, namely health food. In this text, there are 5 paragraphs. The first paragraph is thesis. The second paragraph to the fourth paragraph is the argument. And the fifth paragraph is the recommendation. Next is example of linguistic characteristic contained in health food text. First is tenses. The example of tenses is health food is general term applied to all kinds of foods. Fresh fruit is a natural food, but canned fruit with sugars and other additives is not. Fruit and vegetables that are grown in gardens treated only with organic fertilizers are organic foods. Next is the example of modal verbs is a wise decision should include consideration of allegation. Next is the example of connectives is in choosing. Next is action verb. The example of action verb is describe. And the last is abstract noun. The example of abstract noun is why and allegation. Okay friends, that's enough the material we have present. Sorry if there are any mistakes. Thank you for watching. See you next time and bye guys.